To make the cutlet mixture, add 2 chopped onions in a bowl, 1 tablespoon tamarind pulp, 50 grams clam, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, 2.5 tablespoon gram flour, 3 tablespoons semolina, Combine the mixture very well and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Do like, share and subscribe to watch more recipes. Keep a pan ready to fry the clam cutlets. Add oil in the pan to fry the cutlets. Fry on medium heat for 3 minutes on both the sides. Remove the fried cutlets. Fry the remaining cutlet mixture. Make sure when you fry it, it is 1 cm in thickness so it doesn't break when you flip it on the other side.